You enter a house with 3 rooms. In the first room, there's a flickering candle and a mirror on the wall. In the second room, there's an old chest with a lock. In the third room, you hear faint footsteps. To open the chest and escape the house, what must you do? Blow out the candle in the first room and use its smoke to reveal a hidden key in the mirror. Listen to the footsteps in the third room and follow their pattern to find a hidden lever. Use the mirror in the second room to reflect the candlelight and reveal a secret message on the wall. Walk backward through the rooms, counting your steps, and the chest will open automatically. Listen to the footsteps in the third room and follow their pattern to find a hidden lever. In the heart of an enchanted forest, there are 4 paths. Each path leads to a different destination. A garden of frozen time, a bottomless pit, a path that circles back to the start, and a secret door hidden in shadows. You must choose the correct path to escape the forest. Choose the path that leads to the garden of frozen time. Choose the path that leads to the bottomless pit. Choose the path that circles back to the start. Choose the path hidden in shadows. Choose the path hidden in shadows. You find an ancient puzzle box in an abandoned temple. The box has 4 symbols: a lion, a snake, an eagle, and a tree. Each symbol corresponds to a different way to open the box. Which symbol will you choose? Choose the lion symbol and roar loudly. Choose the snake symbol and hiss quietly. Choose the eagle symbol and look up at the sky. Choose the tree symbol and tap the ground lightly. Choose the snake symbol and hiss quietly. A door stands in front of you with no handle or keyhole, only an inscription. Speak the truth to unlock me. What will you say? Say your name. Say the word truth. Say a riddle. Say nothing and wait. Say the word truth. You are lost in a labyrinth filled with mirrors. Each mirror shows a different reflection, but only one will lead you out. What will you do? Break the mirrors one by one. Find the reflection that doesn't mimic your movements. close your eyes and walk straight ahead. Call out and follow the echo. Find the reflection that doesn't mimic your movement. You find a scroll with an ancient curse written on it. The curse can be lifted by burning the scroll, reading it aloud, or solving a riddle written on it. What will you choose? Burn the scroll immediately. Read the scroll aloud to break the curse. Solve the riddle on the scroll. Ignore the scroll and walk away. Solve the riddle on the scroll. As you walk through a valley, you hear whispers in the wind. The whispers tell you to turn back, but ahead lies the treasure you seek. What will you do? Turn back immediately. Ignore the whispers and keep walking. Listen to the whispers carefully and follow their instructions. Run as fast as you can toward the treasure. Listen to the whispers carefully and follow their instructions. Before entering a cave, a guardian tells you that only those with pure hearts may pass. What will you do? Declare your purity confidently. Offer the guardian a gift. Meditate on your intentions before entering. Walk past the guardian without saying a word. Meditate on your intentions before entering. You receive a letter with a hidden message written in code. The code can be deciphered by either using a mirror, holding it up to the light, reading it backward, or speaking the words aloud. What will you do? Use a mirror to read the message. Hold the letter up to the light. Read the message backward. Speak the words aloud. Hold the letter up to the light. A clock in an ancient castle has no hands, yet it tells time. The secret lies in understanding the mechanism. What will you do? Examine the clock closely for hidden mechanisms. Listen to the ticking sound to understand the time. Look at the shadows in the room. Wait and observe the clock for changes. Listen to the ticking sound to understand the time.